Tired of the scheduling chaos and ready to streamline your Shopify store with effortless appointment booking? Let's dive in. First, head to your Shopify admin panel. We're going to add an app. Click on Apps in the left-hand menu, then click Customize your store. This will take you to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Appointment Booking or Scheduling App. You'll see many options. Let's explore a popular choice, BookThatApp. Click on BookThatApp. Take a moment to read through the app description, features, and reviews. It's crucial to understand if it aligns with your specific business needs. Then, click Add App. Shopify will ask you to confirm the app installation. Review the permissions and click Install App. This grants BookThatApp access to your Shopify store. You'll now be redirected to the BookThatApp dashboard. It's time to configure your services. Click on Products on the top bar. Here, you will need to create a new product or edit an existing one that will be used for the booking option. On your product page, you will customize the settings such as duration of appointment, availability, buffer time. Add any other option that is relevant to the type of booking service you are offering. Be sure to select the calendar that BookThatApp have pre-made for you. Once setup is complete, your customers can easily schedule appointments directly from your Shopify store. See how streamlined that is. If tackling tech overwhelm is your goal, like this video. If turning your store into a booking powerhouse is more your style, hit subscribe. If the idea of reclaiming your time resonates deeply, leave a comment. And if this tutorial brought a smile to your face, give it a like.